viewers, watch this topic in Hindi in To The Point Short Notes Hindi program on our Drishti IAS YouTube channel. The link for the same is given in the description box. Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new program of To The Point. In this episode, we will discuss about Digital Payment System eRUPI launched. First of all, let's have a look at why is it in the news. The Prime Minister of India has launched first electronic voucher-based digital payment system eRUPI. It is the first step in India towards digital currency which will boost the digital payment system. This platform has been developed by NPCI or National Payments Corporation of India in collaboration with Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and National Health Authority. Now let's understand what is it and how does it work. It is a cashless and contactless digital payment mode which will be delivered to the mobile of a beneficiary in the form of QR code or string-based e-voucher. eRUPI connects beneficiary and sponsors of the services and service providers in a digital manner without any physical interface. It also ensures that the payment to service provider is made only after the completion of transaction. It will be a person and purpose-based payment system. Now let's see how will these vouchers be issued. It has been developed by NPCI on its UPI platform and all banks will be the institution to issue eRUPI. Any corporate or government agency which is lender in public or private sector will have to approach the partner banks with the details of specific persons and purpose of payments to be made. Beneficiaries will be identified through their mobile numbers. A voucher will be issued to the service provider from the bank, which will be allotted to that person only on whose name it will be issued. Now moving on to uses and significance of eRUPI. It will be used for good governance and will ensure leak-proof delivery of various welfare services. It can also be used for services under schemes like Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, maternal and child welfare schemes, TB eradication programs and nutritional assistance schemes. These digital vouchers can also be used by private sectors for welfare of its employees and corporate social responsibility programs. Government is also planning to launch digital currency of RBI, and launch of eRUPI will help in the assessment of capacity of digital payments. Now let's see examples of voucher-based welfare system. America, along with several other countries like Colombia, Sweden, Chile, Hong Kong, etc., school voucher system is being used. There is a school voucher or education voucher in the US, which is a certificate of government funding for students. It is a type of special subsidy given directly to the parents of students for the purpose of educating their children. Now let's note the question for today. Which of the following institution or institutions is or are included in the development of eRUPI platform? 1. National Payments Corporation of India. 2. Department of Financial Services. 3. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 4. National Health Authority. The options are A. Only 1, B. Only 1 and 2, C. Only 1, 2 and 4, or D. All of the above. Don't forget to send the answer of this question in the comment section. We will cover another topic in the next episode. Till then, stay home, stay safe.